over here. The stomach is off to the left a little bit down below, and the curvature actually matches the position. So there's the adventitia and the muscularis. There are some triggers to the digestive process. I'll pull that apart. That we'll talk about in physiology. They're called the cells of Cajal. On the other hand, on the inside of here, you see these folds. Those folds are called rugae, and the rugae contract and move fluid and chyme, as we talked about earlier, in between. So there's kind of a sloshing action, like a clothes washer, I guess, something like that. But the chyme has a pattern that goes through the digestive tract. If we pull this apart a little bit, here's the esophagus. No enzymes being produced, but enzymes are still acting from the salivary glands. The enzyme pepsinogen, or the enzyme precursor, or wannabe, is pepsinogen. When it hits the acid of the stomach, it becomes pepsin. It's the only enzyme that's actually released by the stomach itself. When the digestion is as complete as it's going to be, or that water is available, then eventually the pyloric sphincter, right there where my finger is, right there's the pyloric sphincter, relaxes and opens up, and that allows food to go into the small intestine. As you look at the stomach on the slides, this is blown up a little bit. You can see there are some crypts. They used to be called the crypts of Lieberkühn. Now they're called gastric crypts. And they have inside, as you'll see in lecture, a number of different cells: parietal cells, chief cells, mucus cells, ECL cells, and others that have particular purposes. And this is an amazing part. Can you get by without a stomach? Actually, you can, as long as you take some B vitamins and some intrinsic factor. That's something that's produced by the stomach exclusively. And
how about those who do stomach bypass?
Stomach bypass, you still need a little stomach in order to produce intrinsic factor, or else you can't absorb vitamin B12. But you can get by with a stomach that's wrapped and all these different kinds of things where they put a sphincter around here and they put a clip around it so you don't eat so much. It's a drastic way to do it.